Hello students, I know all are excited to know what I am going to teach today. Today you will learn grammar. Topic is collective nouns. Now students, before going further to know about collective nouns, you should know what is noun. Student, as you had already learned about noun and knows about it, again we'll have a look about it. A noun is the name of a person, animal, place, thing or feelings. For example, boy, cat, house, chair, sadness. Now student, see all these pictures properly and tell me what do these pictures have in common. All these pictures are a collection of a particular group. They all involve a group of people, things or animals. So they all are called as collective nouns. Now we'll see the definition of collective nouns. A collective noun is the name given to the group of people, animals or things of the same kind spoken of as one whole. For example, a bouquet of flowers. Here bouquet means collection of flowers. A team of players. Here team means collection of people. A litter of puppies. Here litter means collection of puppies. Now we'll see more example of collective nouns. A band of musicians, an army of soldiers. Band and army are collective nouns. A brood of chickens, a bunch of geese. Here brood and bunch are collective nouns. A basket of fruit, a bouquet of flowers. Basket and bouquet are collective nouns. Now we will see example of different collective nouns used for group of people, animals or birds and things. Collective nouns used for group of people, a class of students, an army of soldiers, a regiment of soldiers, a choir of singers, a crew of sailors, a band of musicians, a bunch of crooks, a crowd of people, spectators, a gang, pack of thieves, a gang of laborers. A group, troupe of dancers, a troupe of artists, a team of players, a tribe of natives, a staff of employees, an audience of listeners, a panel of experts, a flock of tourists, a board of directors, a committee of members. Collective nouns used for group of animals and birds are a catch, howl, shoal of fish, an army of ants, a flight or flock of birds, a flock of sheep, a herd of cattle, deer, elephants, goats, buffaloes, a hive of bees. Collective nouns used for groups of animals and birds are a litter of cubs, puppies, kittens, a host of sparrows, a team of horses, ducks, oxen, a troops of lions, a zoo of wild animals, a pack of wolves, a swarm of bees, ants, rats, flies. Collective nouns used for group of things are a group of islands, a pair of shoes, a bouquet of flowers, a bunch of keys, a chest of drawers, a pack of lice cards, a range of mountains, a cloud of dust, a galaxy of stars, a bowl of rice, a wad of notes, an album of stamps, photographs, autographs, a bowl of rice, a basket of fruit, a library of books, a string of pearls, a stack of wood, a forest of trees, a fleet of ships. Now students will have some practice. Student, see the picture and you have to tell me which of these collective noun is correct. You can see some stars. The options are a Milky Way of stars, a supernova of stars, a galaxy of star. The correct answer is a galaxy of star. Now the other one we will see. See again which of this collective noun is correct. Here you can see some ships are there. The options are a herd of sheep, a flock of sheep, a litter of sheep? The correct answer is a flock of sheep. The other one, here you can see some lions. Again, which of this collective noun is correct? The options are a pride of lions, a pack of lions, a gang of lions. The correct answer is a pride of lions. Here again you can see some bees are there. Now you have to tell me which of this collective noun is correct. Options are a flock of bees, a swarm of bees, a colony of bees. The correct answer is a swarm of bees. The other one, again here you can see there are some sailors. Which of these collective noun is correct? The options are a band of sailors, a platoon of sailors, a crew of sailors. The correct answer is a crew of sailor. Students, I hope you all understood the topic clearly. Thank you.